holding our hands. We are not happy that we are suffering in retirement. No person, none of these officers in Syria seated is happy that our colleagues are suffering in retirement. We are not sitting down here and just putting our hands. I told you that I've been to a meeting today, and the subject matter of that meeting is how to improve the pension earning of officers. So we have done more than that. We have gone beyond that. Something is already being done. Then, when you said you wanted to protest, I have engaged, before you, I have engaged with different groups of retirees. They didn't go on protest. Did you see them joining you?
These 7 years that I retired, only 2 million was given to me. And that 2 million, as I collected that 2 million, that very week I had an accident. That this my arm pulled. I was down for 3 years from one place to another. That 2 million finished there. And since then, we are living in less than 37,000 every month. That is what we pay us. I wonder if a police is an institution cannot be run as a private organization. The police management team, as you are sitting, in those days when I was in the police, the police hierarchy are not aware of what we are passing through. Maybe they will not know how to help us. For instance, we have been borrowing money, we have been begging, we have been looking for assistance. Okay, now, the problem we are facing, all these are begging have started reaching climax. Because those who have been helping us, if we call them now, they used to call their phone. If we go to their house, they will say they are not at home. And virtually, I'm speaking from the government of Natasha, virtually we have nothing at home. Nothing. I'm repeating nothing. For instance, me, when I retired, what they gave me was not enough for me to do anything as a capital. Even to get my house, I cannot help me to rent my house. Okay, I didn't mean that the retirees under the contributory pension scheme had a good beginning to go good really sir. All these problems will not arise. But the problem initially, most of us, the program made us part and disengage on the Nigerian police.
They gave us notice that they will be coming out today for protest, and we responded that we will welcome them, we will accommodate them. Okay? After the protest, I decided to have a meeting with them. They have been able to tell us their grievances. I've taken note of all their complaints, and many of what they are complaining about are things that we're already addressing, which they don't know. So I've been able to explain all of that to them, and I think they have a better understanding of what the issues are. And I don't think they will come out again tomorrow to protest.